Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Can you everybody say Happy Friday? Happy day. And guess what? You have 2 more weeks to go before summer vacation. Say yay! Okay, before I begin, I want to let you know after my presentation, everyone walk and then pick up one goodie. Okay, candy, cookie, whatever. Just one per student. Okay, got it? Okay, today Mr. Sher is going to share with you my Lao culture. Okay, Tuesday I share with you Chinese culture. Today is Lao culture. Why Mr. Sher share with you two different cultures? Because Mr. Sher is a I'm Chinese, but I was born in Laos. That's why I have two cultures, two nationality. And then, okay, I want to, before I begin, thank you, Principal Smith, for allowing me to come and share with you, okay? Say, thank you, Mrs. Smith. Okay, now, I want all the students stand up, and then I will show you how Lao culture greet each other, okay? Okay, everybody put your two palms together. Good, good, okay? This is how we greet each other. Everyone repeat after me. สบายดี Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. สบายดี Thank you. Okay, have a seat. Sit down. Now, listen. Listen. So next time when you run into Laotian friends, family, first thing you do, สบายดี Oh, they're going to be so impressed. Okay? Got it? Okay, second thing I want to share with you. Remember, if you go to Laotian family or house, always take off your shoes before you walk into their house. That's the tradition that, Lao people. Okay? Don't walk with your shoes on. They're not going to be happy. Okay? But in American culture, what? We don't care. We just walk with shoes on, right? But Lao culture different. Okay? Now, talk about Laos. Laos is a country about same size as same shape as California, state of California. Okay? And how do we celebrate Lao New Year? It's different from American or Chinese New Year. Lao New Year, what we do is that usually lasts for about 7 days. 7 days. Okay? Usually what happens? We pour water on each other for blessing. Okay? If you don't believe me, go to the YouTube, if you are allowed to, and watch how to celebrate now Lao New Year. Okay? Got it? Okay. Now, Lao culture, when you go for the wedding, special occasion like wedding, birthday party, or anniversary, okay, in American culture, many people, they give present or gift to to the people. But in Lao culture, we don't do that. We give the envelope, okay, we leave envelope with the money in it, just like Chinese culture, okay? You put money in the envelope, and when you go to the wedding special occasion, you give it to the host, okay? Got it? All right. Now, Laotian people, they eat usually sticky rice. We call sticky rice. This is how sticky rice look like, very teeny tiny piece of rice. And what happened is that you have to soak this rice in a bowl overnight. Unless you soak in a warm water, it might maybe few hours. But normally soak with the tap water have to be overnight. After that, then you have to use this we call steamer. See, you put the rice after you pour the water out, you put the rice in there, and then cover with it, and then put the water in the steamer, and then steam it for about maybe an hour or 30 minutes. Then you have to flip it and steam another 30 minutes. This is how becomes sticky rice. You put in a Ziploc bag, and then you eat them. And then Lao culture, even nowadays, they usually sit on the floor, and then they use this we call rattan table. This is their table. They put the food on top the table and put on the floor, and then sit around the table and then enjoy your meal. Okay. And then Laotian people, they normally eat with their hands because easier to hold the sticky rice. Okay, got it. And now after you steam your sticky rice, this is we call rice sticky rice container. They come with a different sizes, different shapes, and different okay, they put the sticky rice in here. Okay, and then keep keep them warm. Okay, and now this hat right here. Okay, this hat, Laotian people, what they do is that they use this to keep during the summertime, hot summer. Yeah, they use this hat to keep them, nice and cool. Especially farmers they use this hat all the time. Okay, and then now let me show you something. This thing we call uh container to keep the flies out of your food. Otherwise the flies may eat them all, or you might get sick if you don't keep this cover. And then look at this, students, look at this. This is we call coke. That means what they use this for. They use this to crush the garlic, peanut, whatever. Okay, not like American, they use a grinder, whatever, easy blender, easier, right? But no, in our culture, even we call papaya salad. Papaya salad, we only use this. They come with the different. Look at that, teeny tiny. This is normally used for what? For decoration. Okay, and look, and then they have to use this one, the stick, to crush it. Okay, and also this is basically what they use for. They used to put the fruit, okay, like mango, uh, apples, orange, yeah, and then they hang on the ceiling or on somewhere. Okay, look at this. Look at Mr. Sher. This is how Laotian people they dress. This is for men. Okay, when they go for a special occasion, they have to dress. This is Lao culture dress. And this one is for ladies. Look at that. Nice, pretty, huh? Yeah, and then this is a shirt. And this is the picture, see? Very pretty. And look at this. When Laotian people, when they go to the temple or special occasion, we call tray, khan, we call khan, like bowl. They put like money, fruits, goodies, everything they put in here, and then they carry this to them. Go to the temple, special religious ceremony. Okay, got it? And then this one, see, this one they also use for many different things. You can keep you know anything you want. Okay, they come with the different colors. different shapes. See, this is a real silver, costs a lot. Okay, and these are also expensive. Okay, and then look at this. This is because uh, silver tray. They have gold color and a silver color, and then this is because they keep like jasmine rice or either soup, whatever. So pretty, right? Like it? All right. Uh, and also, guess what? One thing, the difference between the American wedding and the Laotian wedding. In Laotian wedding, normally 99% the groom side, okay, the groom side pay for the wedding expenses. But in America, who pay for the wedding expenses? The bride side, right, Miss Samantha? See, that's why the different culture, there are differences. Okay. Now we can open Q&A question. Oh, this is just a mic. Okay. Anything else I miss? Oh, this is one more thing. This one is we call mail holder. You know, it looks, you can put the mail whatever you want. Okay, let me see. Go ahead. Oh, it's just you know, only in our culture they are more popular in this gold and silver. Yeah, not other color. Yeah. Yes, sir. Huh? Oh, yeah. This almost every single Laotian household Yeah, they must have this. They must have this. Yeah, either for decoration, either for utensil use. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Louder. Repeat. Oh yeah. Well, basically, for good luck, it's just mainly it's just pray and then say something nice. It's not like Chinese people. It's different, right? Thank you for bringing it up. Yes, sir. Oh, this one. Oh, this thing. Okay. Oh, thank you for the reminder. Okay, when people go for temple religious occasion, men, women, they always have to wear this. It's just a tradition, okay? There's no meaning. It's just the way for many hundred years. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. I forgot. Yes, it's 7 million. About 7 million people live in country of Laos. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yes, ma'am. Uh, Under the table. This one. Oh, just the cotton. Just the cotton. Yes, ma'am. You mean the dress? Oh, where? When? Where? Oh, normally this kind of dress you dress them when you go on like special, like wedding, birthday, anniversary or religious ceremony. You have to wear those. Okay. Okay. Make sure. Let me know. Time's up. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Another good question. Country of Laos is in Southeast Asia. Is inland. Right side is Vietnam, and close to Cambodia, and then Thailand. Thank you for that question. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. I came here back in 1974. Thank you for remind my age. Anyway, 1974 when I was about 17 years old. Yes. Yes, sir. How old? Uh, Several hundred years. Yeah. Several hundred years. Yes, sir. I wasn't born yet. Yeah, I was. Even World War II, I wasn't born yet. World War III, there's no World War III yet. Hopefully not gonna happen. No, hopefully not gonna happen. We don't want to see that happen. Yes. No. Yeah. Any more question? Yes, ma'am. Which bag? Oh, this bag. Oh, thank you. This is just for the put the coin, money, and like for example, you hang it like for especially this one only for the kids. When you go somewhere, you put your maybe ID, student ID, put the coin, money. Okay. Yes, ma'am. School. Oh yeah, yeah. Every country must have a school. I'm sure. Yeah. Have school. Okay. Yes. Huh? Oh, oh yeah. Oh, I got you. Okay. Anything else? Are we good? Okay. Well, thank you for coming and appreciate for so well behaved. And then okay, yes. Oh, we eat rice noodle. Yeah. Laotian people they either eat sticky rice or noodles. Good question too. Yes, sir. Huh? Oh yeah. Well, I raised money for a good cause, like children hospital for the school athletic, team. Hi. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Well, for next year, I guess for fourth grader next year. Yeah. But this is the last one for you guys. Yes. No, no, no. Oh, one more thing I forgot. This is very important. Listen carefully. In Lao culture, between between July 15 to all to no October 15, between this period in Laos, nobody get married. Nobody, because that's how they believe that between this period, if you get married, kind of bad luck. So no, so that's why the hotel, the party place, they all kind of very slow between July 15 to October 15, because in Lao language we call Khao Pansa. That means nobody get married during that period. Okay, got it? Yes. Well, Lao people they eat very very spicy. Oh my goodness, they eat a lot of chilies. That's the kind of food Lao people they eat. Very spicy, but I can't stand it. I'm yes sir. Yeah, no. Unfortunately, Lao culture we don't have like a Chinese or American lucky number or not a good not lucky number. No, we don't. We just Laotian people. To be honest, they are very innocent. They are very friendly. They are very nice. Okay. Yeah. Very, very friendly. Someday, I hope some of you or all of you can go to Laos. Very cheap. Very cheap. Go to Laos and visit because Laos is a very natural country. Okay. You can see a lot of different stuff. Okay. I hope you can go there and enjoy your trip. Okay. Got it? Yes. Oh no, usually dumpling or McDonald, usually you add spicy. For me, I don't. But for many others, they probably add additional chili sauce, whatever, make it more tastier. Oh, they do? Oh, good to know. Yes. In Laos, I'm sure they do. But when I was there, no, I haven't seen it. But they normally have a rainstorm, but tornado, not in Southeast Asia. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay. No, because to be honest with you, country of Laos still under like socialist, I would say. But the news, uh, they don't open up that much like America. Freedom of speech, freedom of press. Yeah. Okay. Well, nowadays technology, you don't need to do that no more. Now you can check on your Google or weather channel, it automatically pop up. Okay, one more question. Yes. Oh, really? Oh, but not in Laos, no. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, really? You probably like spicy food, huh? Okay, one more. Yes. Oh, got you. Got you. No. Okay. Yes. Huh? Oh, same as American house, made out of bricks. But I don't see any siding in Laos. The house only bricks because cheap bricks, stronger foundation, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Huh? Big boys water. Huh? Oh, no. Country of Laos is indoor. We only have like rivers, lakes, pond. Yeah, we don't. The country of Laos is not near the ocean. Good question. Yes, sir. Volcano? Volcano? No, not as far as I know. So far, so good. Thank God. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you and have a nice weekend. Okay, so everyone, so walk around and pick up goodies.